2022 Ford Bronco, 4-door. Check it out. Fat wheels. I like the new body style of these. They're cool. I don't like the 2-door one. I like the 4 doors. Cat there. Cat there. Why is it to a single there? Flex pipe. 2.5-inch pipe. Goes over the rear end. Then as you guys can see, we did the Borla special. Borla S-type right there. Instead of the stock muffler, did custom piping and painted it for him. He wanted it painted. So there it is. Borla S-type. Part number 400843. There'll be a link in the description. And then we finished it off nicely with a 4.5-inch tip. Black powder coated. Came out really clean. There's the Borla S-type right there. So when you look at it, you see the Borla S-type. Really nice and clean. Again, there's the part number. There'll be a link in the description for it. And that's what it looks like from the back. Nice and clean. Check it out, guys. Ford Bronco with a Borla S-type for your viewing pleasure. And there's the stock muffler that was on it that we cut off. A huge beast. We took it off. These are water seep holes, if you guys don't know, so they don't hold water in. But there it is. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. That's idle. It's not crazy loud, it's clean. Again. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 91.5. Again. That's not bad at all, actually. It's clean. Good commuter series. All right, go ahead and back it up. It's right at 91, 95. If you guys don't know, we're located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Weather's about 95, almost 100. We just did that one. You saw us recording. He wanted to be on camera again, so another satisfied customer. Here we go, back to the Bronco. Go, Borla S-type on a Bronco twin turbo V6 EcoBoost. He said it's for his wife. She didn't want it too loud, but she wanted to hear something. So we got him something. The Borla S-type is the perfect platform for that. So if you guys don't know, you can always change it with that crate muffler that we just did, or you can get a full kit. They have them both available. Oh, that's perfect. Enjoy, guys.